Well, that was a feeble effort yesterday as I struggled with the long ship, so let's have something far more meaningful. Well, when I say far more, slightly. Just one very interesting, very tiny little anomaly, which I keep meaning to mention, is the barrel doesn't have a hole. There's this block. It looks so well crafted, it looks like it's meant to be there. But I've never seen a gun barrel with a cork in the end. Well, I have, but they're, you know, decommissioned ones on old castles and things. And of course, you do get, forgotten what they're called. Anyway, you know, I've seen them on all kinds of things with a chain. They look like a bath plug, and they go in. They're probably called a plug. Anyway, you know what I'm on about. You've seen them. This doesn't look like one. So, I shall chop that off. He says, just double checking the instructions. Do you know, it is. It's got a stopper. That is not the interior ring. That is a block at the end. What on earth is that all about? Not a word. Tell me, people, what's going on with the 90mm gun assembly? That's strange. I won't chop it off then, just out of obedience. It's not often I am obedient, make the most of it. Right, I've chopped off the other alternative and I'm sticking with the American Army sort of from the end of the Second World War, probably through Korea and into Vietnam, and therefore it has graffiti, which is really hard to see in ordinary conditions because it's white on an extraordinarily pale blue. But as I look through the camera, as I hoped, I can see it. Now there's an awful lot, and I don't imagine one tank had absolutely everything on it. So I will select a few choice ones. I do like the peace symbol. I like the love bug, and so probably flower power will go with it. I don't get all the shorty stuff. So that and the usual numbers, and I think that'll be that. So time to get the warm water out. In the quest for good lighting, which is almost impossible this time of year anyway, I have come into a completely different room and we are enjoying the big window ledge underneath the dormer window that is leaking. Enjoy, look at that. And with a certain irony, it's supposed to be getting done today, but the roofing repairmen simply forgot about us. And there we are. And people say Britain isn't broken. Well, at least our current president does. And he's wrong. So, and this tank's nearly broken as well. So here we are with our tank with markings on and a little bit more muck and not a lot more to do, but in a strange way my finger has just touched the zoom facility. This should have been over by now. Now I can't even focus, and the first thing, the zoom isn't working. Come on. It's one of those days, isn't it? Right, so should be getting the roof repaired. Instead I'm breaking the camera. But anyway, here it is. this is all we're going to have in terms of marking and graffiti, and you are saying it looks terribly wobbly, and that's because I haven't... Oh! My gun's fallen out. This is typical, isn't it? Right, this is all going very badly wrong. So anyway, what I was going to say is there's still some of the fundamentals to do, and that's largely because I have been straightening out this front wheel, because these tracks were like a banana on this side. I've still got that to sort out. That one's not quite so bad, and that one's almost there. So that's what I'm going to be working on in the coming future, which is a bit dull. So we'll end here. I will say thank you for watching. I do hope you come back to see how this progresses and how the roof progresses, and I think I'm going to have to glue that gun in. Look quickly, the gun, it's okay, it's okay, marvellous.